Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sana. What's your name?
My name is Khan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Sana, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. What about you?
I'm from Turkey.
Where do you live?
I live in Pakistan. And you?
I live in China.
How old are you?
I'm 17-year-old. And you?
I'm 19-year-old. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a pilot.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I'm 2 brothers and 2 sisters. What about you?
I have 2 brothers.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love banana. What's your?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. And do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Urdu and English. What about you?
I can speak Urdu.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket. What is your favorite movies?
My favorite movies in Squad Games.
Yes.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
What is your channel name?
The English Path is my channel name.
Subscribe YouTube channel The English Path.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for exciting content you won't want to miss. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest uploads.
Join the English Path by subscribing to my YouTube channel for helpful lessons and tips to improve your English. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on notifications for the latest updates.